To download Canva, if you don't want to use it on the web, you can just open up Google first, and then you can search Canva. And whether if you're on Mac or on Windows, you just have to put it at the end. Because I'm on Mac, then I will put Mac at the end, so it will direct me right to Canva for Mac Desktop app. Then you can just click this. Because I already have downloaded, I will just cancel it, and I'll just cancel it because I already downloaded it. And then you can double click this. Then you can just drag this to your applications. Because I already also have installed Canva, I will just say I want to replace it because it might be newer. And then I'm going to enter my password here. Nothing serious, just to enter this and for it to install. And there you go, you have installed Canva, and you can open it by pressing Command and space. Search for Canva, then you can just press enter or return, and then it will open up like this. Open it, and it's done. To log in, you just have to open up your browser. Yes, continue to canva.com, and you're in easily.